Hello everyone, welcome to a new tutorial video. In this video I will show how to enable disable keyboard sound on Galaxy S24 FE. First of all, open the settings app and select option sounds and vibration. Click on this. From here you can see option system sound. Click on this. From here you can see option keyboard. Now keyboard is enabled, so if you want to disable keyboard sound, then simply click on this. So you can see keyboard sound is disabled, and if you want to enable keyboard sound, then again click on this. So you can see that keyboard sound is enabled. By applying this method, you can easily enable disable keyboard sound on Galaxy S24 FE. Hope so you like this video. Thanks for watching.